Hi everyone, Darius from the Full IT back again to talk about all things cybersecurity. Today's topic is all about backup and recovery, which is essential for minimizing downtime and loss in the event of a cyber attack or system failure. Whether it's accidental deletion, hardware failure, or a ransomware attack, having a robust backup strategy can be the difference between a quick recovery and a total disaster. Let's start with a backup frequency. The rule of thumb is to back up your data as often as you can afford to lose it. For some businesses, that might mean daily or even hourly backups. Identify the most critical data, such as customer records, financial information, and business documents, and ensure it's backed up frequently. In addition, consider versioning, which involves keeping multiple versions of files over time. This allows you to restore data to a specific point before it was corrupted or altered. Now, there are different types of backups: full, incremental, and differential. A full backup is a complete copy of all your data, but it can be time consuming and requires more storage. Incremental backups only save changes made since the last backup, making them faster and less storage intensive. Differential backups are somewhere in between, making up changes since the last full backup. The best strategy is often a combination, using regular full backups, incrementals, or differential backups in between. Now let's talk about backup locations. The golden rule here is the 3-2-1 backup strategy. Keep at least 3 copies of your data, store 2 of them on different media, and keep 1 copy off-site. This could mean having 1 copy on your main server, another on an external hard drive, and a third in the cloud. Off-site backups are crucial for protecting your data against physical disasters like fires or floods. Backing up data is only half of the battle. You also need a recovery plan. Make sure you know how to restore your data and test your backups regularly. This ensures that your backups are working correctly and that your team is prepared to recover data efficiently if something goes wrong. During a crisis, the last thing you want to realize is that your backup was incomplete or corrupted. Lastly, consider encryption for your backups, especially if they contain sensitive or confidential information. This ensures that even if someone gains unauthorized access to your backup files, they won't be able to read the data without the decryption key. A solid backup and recovery plan is like an insurance policy for your data. Join us tomorrow as we explore the ins and outs of ransomware and how to protect your business from this growing threat. And if you want to ensure you see the daily videos through the month of October, then head over to our LinkedIn page and give us a follow. And over to our YouTube channel and give us a subscribe. Stay secure.